We are here today to celebrate and recognize our military-connected students and families.
Today at Baker-Butler, we're celebrating Purple Up Day. It's a day where we celebrate the students that are military connected. Their parents get acknowledged all the time, so we just wanted to take a moment and just celebrate them. Usually the children are the ones in the audience, and now the tables were turned and their parents were in the audience, and it just gave them a chance to see how great it is to see them being celebrated.
This gives us as military members a chance to interact with our kids in school, see what they're doing. They get to see what we do professionally, and then there's a lot of military members here already. And so we get to actually interact with each other too. And it's a good family atmosphere, so it's a great thing to do to just explain what it is that we do as soldiers and service members.
And my dad's in the Air Force. I grew up in a part of Virginia, I forgot the name, but we moved in Florida when I was still very young, and then we moved here last year. Something that's difficult is that you have to move and you have to leave your friends and make new ones, but making new ones is nice.
We started our student ambassadors this year, which is a group of 5th graders.
We have the Purple Star Ambassador team, and we meet for lunch pretty frequently. Well, in this school, it's someone that helps other people adapt to a new place, like a community. Some other Purple Star ambassadors, they helped a new kid earlier on in the year. They gave her a tour.
My husband and I both were in the Navy, so when our older boys started school, I was on deployment. So we didn't have things like this. So my kids went in not knowing anyone, not being able to have both their parents at events. Now we can have pictures and they can be sent to the parents, and it just allows them to be part of the community.
One thing that probably everybody will discuss as far as what we go through as military students is moving, constantly moving to different schools. I'm a military kid. My father was in the military, so I went to about 4 different middle schools. And so that's just one of those things. You have to make new friends each time. They're learning the environment every about 2-3 years. So it's a lot of change for them. And so this is great to help them kind of understand what it looks like and be around other kids that are maybe going through some of the same things. I really appreciate the school doing this. It's great to spend time with my kids and just enjoy and see them happy and enjoying time with their friends. So this is a great thing to do. We really appreciate it.
We're a community, and whenever someone comes into our community, we just wrap around them. And once they're a part of our community, they're always a part of our community. Just because they transfer doesn't mean that they're no longer part of our community. We care about each and every one of our kids, and we want them all to succeed, and we want them to all have exactly what they need.